अरे वो चीज वाली, कितनी चीज खाएगी सिल्विया तू यार?
Should be Nobel Prize for a prize who discovers it.
नोबेल प्राइज फॉर चीज?
So,
चीज ऐसे कच्ची कौन खाता है? कुछ ब्रेड के साथ खा, ईट विद समथिंग। अरे
this is gold.
चलो
see?
ठीक है, गोल्ड है। चलो भैया, गोल्ड है भैया।
I'm jealous of your left side neck tattoo. Cause it
I think
makes
these
so
Q&As are better than lives, I feel. No, lives also. Live का भी अपना मजा
Lives
है
are
because
also
there's like
good.
raw interaction as well.
Yes.
But Q&A भी
And we
because
always promise we'll do more lives, but then we don't do them.
Yeah.
So you don't ask, we don't do.
सिल्विया ऐसे टाइम वेस्ट होता है। We should get on straight away with the Q&As.
चलो।
This यही तो होता है, यही चीज वो होते हैं, फिर लंबा हो जाता है
Let's
फालतू
get
में।
started then.
तो नमस्कार देवी और सज्जनों, भाइयों और बहनों, चिल्ड्रंस ऑफ ऑल एजेस, डी जनरेशन एक्स proudly brings to you is the tag team champions of the world. याद है किसी को?
Millennials in the house.
तो भाइयों, बहुत लोगों ने बिकॉज वी हैवंट डन अ Q&A, तो आपके कमेंट्स आते रहते हैं एंड हम लोग क्वेश्चंस देखते रहते हैं हमेशा क्या क्या पूछे जाते हैं। तो वी थॉट कि अगेन एक Q&A में आपके क्वेश्चंस टैकल करते हैं जो आप लोगों ने पूछे हैं। तो ये व्लॉग आप लोगों के लिए है, आपकी क्यूरियोसिटी को ब्रेक डाउन करने के लिए है। तो चलिए, विदाउट फर्दर अड्यू, लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस Q&A मोस्ट आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस बाय आवर सब्सक्राइबर्स एंड आवर वेल विशर्स। चैनल पे नए हो तो अकुम बकुम, अकुम बकुम। You haven't heard this अकुम बकुम before?
I think I heard it from you.
It's in a movie, अकुम बकुम।
अच्छा, let's get started.
चलो, पहला सवाल। तो ये क्वेश्चन लोगों ने बहुत पूछा है अब कि मेरू भैया आप यहाँ पे बहुत टाइम से अब रहने लग गए हो, हाउ इज लाइफ इन पोलैंड कंपेयर्ड टू यूके? तो ये एक सवाल अब लोगों ने पूछा कि अब आप यहाँ पे सेटल टाइप हो गए हो तो कैसा लग रहा है? लंदन में आप इतने साल रहे, हम लोग एज मैनी पीपल नो, हम लोगों को सब लंदन से ही सबने ज्वाइन किया था। आई वुड से लाइफ यहाँ पे जैसे वो प्रोग्राम आता था ना, वो कौन सा प्रोग्राम आता है यूट्यूब पे, वो द चिल लाइफ, वो किसी बड़े अच्छे इंडियन उसका रिपोर्टर का है, एनीवेज डजंट मैटर, कुछ भी वो कुछ द स्लो लाइफ एक शो आता है, तो बिल्कुल वैसा ही भाई।
Oh, I thought you were saying chill life because it's quite cold.
No, chill तो है,
Like
but
it's colder.
what I'm trying to
UK.
say is the life here is very slow. I mean, obviously we chose a countryside to live in. अगर हम सिटी के अंदर रहते, वॉर्सो वगैरह कहीं रहते, तो obviously probably would be very similar to London. But because it's a countryside, दूर दूर तक भाई जंगल वंगल हैं, लोग भी हैं वैसे हमारे इस एरिया में तो, but mostly it's forests and beautiful sceneries और calm and quiet है। तो definitely it's a very slow paced life. But as again in terms of what we used to do before, ऐसा कोई खास change नहीं आया है, because though it's a countryside, but in terms of the facilities, in terms of what you get, वो सब वही है जो UK में। यहाँ पे भी हम Lidl से ही shopping करते हैं, UK में भी हम
We
Lidl,
still have to drive everywhere.
and we have to drive to local shops हैं, but we have to drive to supermarkets for food and all, और वही same चीजें ही हैं, तो इतना कोई change नहीं आया है। But yeah, life definitely has become slightly more calmer and slower compared to the UK. What is the next question? What are the difficulties you face as a foreigner in Poland? तो ये सवाल बहुत ही अच्छा, it's a very good question to ask because obviously पोलैंड में काफी इन्फ्लक्स हो रहा है लोगों का बाहर से। मेनी पीपल आर कमिंग टू पोलैंड, स्पेशली यूके से तो बहुत लोग पोलैंड आए हैं। आई नो सो मेनी दैट हैव कम टू पोलैंड। द फर्स्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ प्रॉब्लम और इशू यू माइट फेस इज द लैंग्वेज का बैरियर है। ऑल्दो यंगस्टर्स डू speak quite a lot of English is spoken in cities and all, you will be able to, even यहाँ पे भी actually youngsters know English very well, but जो elderlies हैं, जो थोड़े से 40s के ऊपर वाले लोग हैं, 50s हैं जो, उनके साथ communication is obviously an issue, and Polish is a very hard language, तो इतनी जल्दी आप सीख भी नहीं सकते, तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा issue है। But I mean, as again, if you talk with love, प्यार मोहब्बत से समझ आता है।
You will always find the language to communicate with someone.
Yeah, exactly.
But definitely, learning Polish is not easy thing.
Yeah,
and especially when it comes to, because like you dealing with day-to-day shopping and stuff, it's not that hard. You go to supermarkets, you have self-checkouts as well.
Yeah,
so you can do so many things actually without speaking to a person.
Yeah.
But when it comes to offices, when it comes to a paperwork, if you have to do some paperwork somewhere,
it's very difficult.
this is more difficult because even though people I think speak English there, they are not that keen to speak English.
No, I mean,
so
no,
it's good to have
yeah.
a Polish spoken person with
अगर
you when
if-
it comes to
yeah.
like this type of issues.
Yeah, if Sylvia was not with me, it would have been quite difficult for me
Yes.
because from the language point of view. And I think one more bit where it is slightly difficult is अभी भी पोलैंड में बहुत सारा काम जो है that is paperwork, hard paperwork है. They are in this transition phase. I feel Poland is about to get quite digitized. हो चुका है बहुत सारा, payment wise, obviously everything is digitized here. You use your phone for everything. But all these other things also slowly I feel they're coming, going to the right direction and सारा digital. But also one side is कि it will be very difficult for the elders यहाँ पे. अगर आप सारा ही वो digital कर दोगे तो एकदम से तो बहुत difficult भी होगा. तो maybe वो reasons भी हैं. But I think for youngsters there is a lot of this automated things also coming now. Next question. Are you planning to stay in Poland or you will be moving back to London at some point? बहुत वैलिड क्वेश्चन है अगेन कि हमारा ऑब्वियसली जो लोग हमें जानते हैं हमारा बिजनेस लंदन में है, हमारा घर भी है लंदन में. तो क्या हम वापस जाएंगे? You never know. I don't know.
At the moment we are settling down here, but you never know what tomorrow will bring, right?
मतलब our main thing was कि अब when we are going to plan, family planning जब होगी, I wanted this type of atmosphere for our kids to grow up in. तो London, as much as I love London, अभी के लिए I think it's Poland, but as again like Sylvia said, you never know what the future holds.
I think we are like an open book. We are open.
Or even India for that matter.
Or even India.
कुछ पता नहीं भाई, आगे का क्या पता भाई, आगे इधर बैठो अभी तो फिर we live in present, अभी बैठो मेदू वड़ा, there's मेदू वड़ा in the kitchen, मेदू वड़ा बनाओ खाओ.
That's all our happiness. But I think that the home is where you are.
No, they care deep, but this is deep.
Where you go, I go, and that's our home. That's where we settle. I settle in your heart.
अरे बाप. दाग दिया भाई, दाग दिया.
No, you have to tell something.
I settle in your heart as well. Sorry. तो दिल्ली से नोएडा से भाई क्या करें, इतना ही निकलता है इमोशन.
You have to say something from your heart, not
My heart always beats for you.
Your heart beats for food, Baba.
चलो भाई, next question. एक काम करते हैं, before the next question, let's take a commercial break. ठीक है? ले लें? पैसा भी तो जरूरी है. Just taking a moment to thank our sponsors for the vlog, DDPi, and they've sent us their brilliant N2 dual dashcam. Ever wondered how your dashcam really sees the road? This is the DDPi N2 dual dashcam, an AI-powered dashcam redefining road safety since 2013. Inside the box, premium quality dual cameras and everything else you need for a quick setup. Installation is effortless. Mount, connect, and you're ready to drive in minutes. Get crystal clear dual vision with 2K at the front and 1080p rear recording, covering everything ahead and behind, every detail, every moment. Thanks to Night Vision 2.0, f2.0 aperture, and 1.9 IPS display, visuals stay sharp and natural day and night. With 24/7 parking surveillance and a G sensor, the N2 dual dashcam automatically records and locks the footage if a collision is detected. Optimized ADAS 2.0 gives real-time driving alerts, while the DDPi app automatically lets you view, save, and share the footage. And the super capacitor design ensures stable performance even in extreme temperatures. DDPi's N2 dual dashcam, smarter vision, stronger evidence, and safer journeys. The official DDPi Poland Facebook group is now live. It's a great chance to win a free powerful dashcam and get exclusive discounts directly in the group. Just check the link in the description below to join and never miss the latest updates and events. Okay, welcome back. So the next question is, ये भी बहुत लोगों ने पूछा कि मेरू भैया आप लोग घर बना रहे हो यहाँ पे, you're making a house and your house is almost complete. When can we expect a house tour? अभी भी बहुत सारे there are many elements जो अभी complete नहीं हुए हैं. And we don't want to show just parts and bits पूरे घर के. आप देखते तो हो, I mean you can see quite a lot of changes.
Exactly, you still see a lot because we show a lot.
But as a house tour fully, we'll wait for some more things. बाहर की tiling है, we have to finish that first. There's another room जो बंद रहता है हमेशा, we have to finish that first. जैसा हमने आपको बताया उसको complete करना है. तो ये चीजें I think you can expect it this summer. तो
bathroom needs some final touches
थोड़ा
as
बाथरूम में भी
well.
अभी खराबी हुई थी तो उसको
We
भी ठीक
order
करेंगे.
some extra furniture
And
which is coming soon.
garage has to be the tiled as well. तो garage भी
Yeah,
अभी
there's
हमारा नहीं
still
हुआ है.
lots of work.
तो I would say I think एक अच्छा proper full room house tour with everything आपको खर्चे भी बताएंगे. I think that will be around the summer time in our opinion.
Hopefully. All depends how quickly you're going to work and do things.
And the last question is जो ये बहुत लोगों ने पूछना शुरू कर दिया है कि when are my parents coming, when are Meru's parents coming to Poland again? भाई देखो plan was January. कुछ चीजें हुई हैं.
Yes, but I think after last visit, they're like, it's slightly too cold
हाँ,
for
ये
us.
बहुत बड़ा point है because
And this year, this winter, it's even more extreme.
because पापा को तो बहुत ठंड लगती है, मम्मी को भी I mean अच्छा लगता है, but I think last year के comparison में like you know it was nothing. Last year only for a week it snowed and that's it. इस बार
Yeah, and
whole
for a
December
week it was very cold, maybe like
Yeah.
this -10 or something.
this time whole of December, whole of January -15, -12 complete snow. So I think it would have been very difficult for them to actually be here. मजा नहीं आता कितना
And
I
to
mean,
enjoy as well.
I mean it's enjoyable with family anyways, but कितना ही बेचारे बैठते हैं इसी जगह
No,
पे.
but I mean from the side that you know you can't really go out of the house.
Yeah. And also, you know, when they're coming, I want them to, you know, go and like explore more places altogether. You know, everybody going to places which would have not been possible. अब हम नहीं जा पा रहे हैं. We are not able to go outside because it snows so bad. And there's this dry ice formation which is very dangerous. गाड़ी
Yeah,
चलाने
so
का
we
भी.
just avoided because of the safety.
हाँ, and I think summer time around, I think spring,
summer.
would be a good time I feel for them here because you know मौसम भी बहुत अच्छा होगा and they'll get some respite from the Indian summer जो काफी गर्म हो जाता है. तो
The
वो
nature
plan
wakes up and Papa likes it. Like all of
Papa
this
is because Papa is
plants
from
and-
that background, agriculture background से हैं तो you know he will enjoy more and he can you know go out of garden भी ready हो गया है तो there'll be more things to do.
Yeah, he'll do our garden basically. That's why
थोड़ी
winter
चीजें
he has
होती
no
हैं।
job to do. Let him come for this grass cutting, this fertilizer, whatever is
He wanted to do
needed.
the last time only क्योंकि बहुत सारे पेड़ पौधे हैं जो you know हमें नहीं पता है इन चीज़ों के बारे में. He is more aware being a scientist in that field. तो सारी नॉलेज है उनको कि क्या कहाँ पे कौन सा you know फ्लावर उगाना चाहिए. तो अब हम जब एक्स्ट्रा लगाना शुरू करेंगे you know now we'll start doing flower beds and all. We need his advice. उनकी ज़रूरत भी है हमें. तो हाँ, पापा is coming around April. मतलब स्प्रिंग समर समझ लो आप अपने उस टाइम पे आएंगे.
Not only Papa,
मम्मी
is
हाँ
coming
मम्मी
as
also
well.
welcome है.
Yes.
सब गुची is also probably coming this time. Yeah. तो guys ये था हमारा आज का Q&A. आशा करते हैं आपको पसंद आया. साथ में बैठ के बातें करते हैं, यही एंजॉय करते हैं, यही व्लॉग्स में भी करते हैं. What do we do in vlogs? That's it यार. है दिल से दिल की बातें करते हैं जो हम कर रहे हैं दिनचर्या हमारा आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करते हैं. एंड आई होप दिस रेजोनेट्स विद यू. हम वो वाले व्लॉगर नहीं है भाई जो दुनिया घूमना चाहते हैं. जो आई थिंक वी आर एक्चुअली ऑपोजिट ऑफ दोस व्लॉगर्स हु ट्रैवल द वर्ल्ड एंड शो यू एवरीथिंग.
Yeah,
हम
because
एक्चुअली
we
घर
are-
में बैठ के एंजॉय करना चाहते
That's
हैं.
what this is not our niche anyway.
Niche
'cause
की बात नहीं है, मतलब-
there are many travel vloggers, and we are not travel vloggers. We are
हम good travel vlogger नहीं
family
हैं. हम कौन से- what are we?
friendly, family friendly,
Food
creepy
vloggers.
millennials food
मिलेनियल
vloggers.
फूड व्लॉगर्स. भाई मेरा तो भाई देखो हम वो वाले व्लॉगर हैं. हमें घर में बैठना बड़ा मजा आता है.
Lifestyle.
वी एंजॉय सिटिंग एट होम. मुझे तो बड़ा मजा आता है. घर पे बैठ के खाना बनाओ, ये चीजें करो, अच्छे अच्छे
Guys,
पकवान
when you're
बनाओ.
in your 20s, you can roam around. But you
अब तो
know,
बुढ़ापे में
the
होते,
older
age
you
भी आ
get,
गई
you're
है.
like, you have this back ache here,
सही
leg
है.
ache here. Last time he had some ache on the side. He
चटक
couldn't
गया भाई
move.
मेरी यहाँ पे कुछ
Where-
चटक गया.
where he
चल ही
would
नहीं पाया
travel.
भाई मैं.
The only travel we do is to get the food.
फूड फ्रॉम सुपरमार्केट. सही कह रही है.
And that's
चलो.
also very exciting.
चले फिर.
Chalo.
चलो भैया ख्याल रखना अपना. मिलते हैं नए व्लॉग पे. और भी क्वेश्चंस आपके जो भी हैं
Yeah,
put
leave
them
them in
on
the
the comments and you know obviously we are compiling them all the time and then we'll make another list and then एक और Q&A करेंगे. तो रखते हैं. It's goodbye from Meru and
silly.
वाह वाह राम जी. You did the same. You know, this same what she did in the movie. Like you did your head. Yeah, कसम से. वाह वाह
I
राम
don't know
जी.
where's the movie.
Yeah, I know. How will you watch? हम आपके हैं कौन? दिखाऊंगा तो. चलो let's see. Watch the movie. दिखाएं? You wanna watch it? चलो ये इसको हम आपके कौन दिखाता हूँ. आ जाओ. और सिली तो बड़ी सिनेमैटिक लग रही है यार. You're looking very cinematic
No,
actually.
you recorded, right?
नहीं, it's not recorded. Should we do it again quickly? अरे हो गया रिकॉर्ड. चल.
cut.